Minessage ako nung hacker sa Instagram. Nagpapabayad ng So far, may mga na-approve ng designs, pero apparently, pag nilagay sa bote, wali pa talaga. So, binago pa namin. Ito si Madam Brand Head ng MINK. Ang nagbago. Pero so far, ito parang gusto na namin siya. Ganda na siya. Anong masasabi mo, Madam? 10 out of 10. Would ask my ate to buy. Would ask my ate to buy. So, ang perfect na niya. Meron na siyang takip. Social na. Aba. Ito, tatanggalin na lang namin yung kulay ng panty. Gusto namin transparent. Magiging ganito siya. Tapos ito, hindi pa rin talaga, Ben. Ito, wali-wali pa talaga. So, meron na kaming nakuha.
Yung file ko, ayos naman yung...
So, transparent panties. Mas may text dito sa harap. Para mas makahinga dito. And then, these will be the official colorway. Kailangan lang i-edit to sa hindi easy feel pala sa
easy pin pala. WHIM Manila.
WHIM Manila. Ito yung mga pinagdaanan naming stickers.
Nakabili na.
Finally, na siya. Yay! Happy ako na hindi magkalapet yung color. Okay, please say yes, everyone.
Please say yes. Okay ka mo kasi yung dati.
Ito.
Ito siya, ganito siya orange.
Ito siya, oo, ganito daw siya. Ganito siya before compared to this one. So, yeah, super duper na. Galing naman.
Wala akong ginawa.
Entrepreneur Diaries. It says it's 4 a.m. in the morning. We just had wine and beer and whiskey. Pero meron kaming training ng 9 a.m. today. Well, actually si Josh may training siya ng 9 a.m. today. Ginagawa daw niya yung training. IO Corp Diaries in the future once we have a documentary. Here we are at our 27 square meter apartment room.
Di yata 27 to parang 20 nga na.
Or less. Enjoying our noodles.
Tuition fee. 20 years ago lang. So, kung mas malaki yung value ng pera dati kaysa ngayon. Talaga natuto kaming dumiskarte.
Hello friends, here at HQ number 1 today for a couple of meetings plus mga admin stuff for our renewal. Plus, I will have my hair done and nails done. I feel like I'm ready for a gel polish today. And gusto ko nang magpa-dark ng hair. Gusto ko rin paiklian yung hair. Ito, this one. I'm thinking parang ganito. And then that's it. That's just our agenda today. The parlor is just at the first floor of our building, so sobrang convenient. Here we are. Achieve. Hello. Good morning. Kamusta ang umaga niyo? Kami, nahack ang Instagram ng Lana. Hey. So, I woke up this morning with messages from my staff na hindi daw sila makalog in, na mukhang nahack daw yung Lana. Nakakaloka kasi naiba na rin yung profile photo ng Instagram namin. Ito na yung email. Okay, lesson learned. Kids, turn on all your 2FAs. Secure your account. Buti na lang, as of the moment, nakaka-login pa rin naman kami sa Facebook page. Nagpalit na kami ng passwords and stuff. I'm trying not to panic. I am breathing in and breathing out. Mga 1 million times na today. Para makapag-isip din ako ng tama. I reached out to a friend. He helped me with escalating the issue. So hopefully, mabalik na ulit sa dati yung account. And, ayun. Huwag tamaring mag-secure ng account. Mga bata. Sabi, baka daw tomorrow pa maayos. Ay, ito pa pala, ikikwento ko, nakakaloka. May message ako nung hacker sa Instagram. Nagpapabayad ng $500 para ibalik niya yung account. Why do people do this? Iisip, tanong ko kay Josh kanina, ano ba? Bayaran na ba natin to? Hindi. Pero, paano pag hindi niya binalik yung account? At buti na lang hindi bastos yung nilagay niyang profile photo sa LANA Instagram. Ito siya. Nakakaloka. Dimitri Turgut. Finally, birthday girl next week. Birthday girl next week. We are doing something magical for you. Ay! Okay, so we just got home. It's 10:16 p.m. and hindi ko pala kayo na-update kanina regarding the Instagram issue. Nabalik siya ng 6:25 p.m. Yay! We're back in business, baby. Nice one. Oh, look at that.
Do the honors, tanggalin mo na yung white. Sana mo yan dun eh.
Hello friends, it's January 18 and a Monday. So, usually maraming meetings today, but I tried to taper it down a bit and limit it to one meeting. So, I'll be going to the first HQ today for just one meeting, and then after that, i-date ko yung mom ko. I miss her so much. We will have a mani-pedi date, of course, observing social distancing and stuff. So, ayun. This year, I want to make time for the people who matters most. So, I try to set up date nights and date days sa mom and dad ko, sa siblings ko, and of course, kay Josh. Well, given naman na yung kay Josh. Pero right now, I wanna make more time for my family. This will be a slow Monday. I'll take you along with me to the office. And ayun. We are here at HQ1. Let's go. Hello. Ay, press again. Ha? Hindi na ako kasali dito. Ayan. Hello. Hello, we just finished tech run with Ninja Van. I will be talking about how to set yourself apart from a sea of brands. That will be on the 29th. Okay na tayo. Then my next tech run at around 8 p.m. will be NBU naman. We are done with the Ninja Van talk. I am just here with Bagunet. I think she's hungry na. Are you hungry na, love? You hungry?